now declare, having 11 members having abstained and 23 voted yes, I now take the opportunity to declare the office of the Speaker of Honorable Enoch Ogorio Okero to cease holding office. Any disorderly conduct in this house will result to grievous punishment. Order. Always exercise your powers by voting. Honorable members, resume your seat. Next order. Adjournment. Honorable members, we received the CPRO and I therefore committed to Committee on Finance. Honorable members, resulting the business of today, there is no business in the afternoon until the office of the Speaker is filled. Thank you. Next order. Order, honorable members, the House stands adjourned until the House of the office of the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly is filled. Thank you.